Hello students, today I am going to explain you lesson number 4 of standard 7th. The name of the chapter is Hashya Yogaha. Hashya Yogaha means humorous jokes. Different type of jokes are given in this chapter. So related to this chapter, some of the meanings I had written on the board. You can see over here. See, Krinatu means buy. आपणिकः शॉपकीपर, प्रतिशतम परसेंट, क्रयणयोग्यम प्रॉपर टू बी बॉट, द्वे यंत्रे टू मशीन, दशनम बाइट, वित्तकोश बैंक, आगत्य आकर आवयोः मीन्स कमिंग, कृत्रिम दंतावली फॉल्स टीथ, लुंठनम लूट और रॉबरी, वर्तमान पत्र न्यूज़पेपर, यतः means because. So here meanings are there. Now the chapter is on page number 10 of textbook. You can see in your textbook. See, first is apanikah. Apanikah means shopkeeper. Here shopkeeper is and a grahak, that means a customer. They both are conversation with each other. आपणिकः ग्राहकं प्रति टुवर्ड्स द कस्टमर, एतत् यंत्रं क्रीणातु, क्रयणयोग्यम् अस्ति, प्लीज परचेज दिस मशीन, दिस मशीन इज परचेज टू बी बॉट. ग्राहकः एतस्य का विशेषता अस्ति, व्हाट इज इट्स स्पेशलिटी, इसकी खूबी क्या है. When we are going to purchase anything else, और कोई हमें पूछता है कि बहुत अच्छा है, मतलब अच्छा मीन्स व्हाट, इसमें क्या खूबी है. तो कस्टमर इज आस्किंग ओवर हियर. नाउ आपणिकः एतत् यंत्रं भवतः 50% कार्यभारम् अल्पं करिष्यति. दिस मशीन विल लेस योर 50% ऑफ वर्क, मतलब ये मशीन तुम्हारा आधा काम कम कर देगा. ग्राहकः तर्हि कृपया द्वे यंत्रे ददातु, then please give me 2 machines. When one machine will less your 50%, then 50 plus 50 100. So customer is telling that give me 2 machines. So I want to reduce my 100% work. Second one, शिक्षक and छात्र. Here teacher and student are the शिक्षकः. छात्रस्य गृहकार्यं दृष्ट्वा, after seeing the homework of student. भवतः गृहकार्ये बहवः दोषाः, there are many mistakes in your homework. Teacher is telling to the student that there are many mistakes in your homework. तान अपि भवान् एकः एव करोति, only you are the student who has done these mistakes. That means teacher is telling to the student कि सिर्फ क्लास में आप ही हो जिसने इतनी सारी मिस्टेक्स की है. Now student छात्रः महोदय सर, एते सर्वे दोषाः अहम एकः एव न करोमि. दिस ऑल मिस्टेक ओनली आई हैड नॉट डन, सिर्फ मैंने ही नहीं की है मिस्टेक. गृहपाठ लेखने मम पिता अपि सहायतां करोति, माय फादर ऑल्सो हेल्प मी ड्यूरिंग द होमवर्क. मतलब सिर्फ मैंने ही नहीं किए, मेरे फादर ने भी ये मिस्टेक्स की है इसमें. थर्ड वन, गृहस्वामी, दैट मीन्स ओनर ऑफ द हाउस, एंड अतिथि, दैट मीन्स गेस्ट. ओनर ऑफ द हाउस एंड गेस्ट, दे बोथ आर टॉकिंग. यस, गृहस्वामी अतिथि प्रति टुवर्ड्स द गेस्ट. भवान् आगच्छतु, प्लीज वेलकम. व्हेन एनी गेस्ट आर कमिंग, सो वी आर टेलिंग टू देम प्लीज कम टू माय होम. स्वान भयम न अनुभवतु, प्लीज डोंट बी अफ्रेड ऑफ द डॉग, डॉग से डरना मत. अतिथि किम सः न दशति, डज नॉट इट बाइट. अब गेस्ट पूछ रहे हैं कि क्या ये काटता नहीं है, डज नॉट इट बाइट. गृहस्वामी तस्य दंशन स्वभावः अस्ति वा न वा इति अहम अपि न जानामि. आई डोंट नो इट्स नेचर, मुझे इसके स्वभाव के बारे में पता नहीं है. यत एतस्य स्वभावस्य परीक्षणम् अधुना भविष्यति, मतलब आई डोंट नो इट्स नेचर, इट विल बी द डिपेंड्स ऑन इन नेचर, टुडे आई विल नो. मतलब अगर ये आपको बाइट करेगा तो मुझे पता चल जाएगा कि इसका स्वभाव काटने का है या नहीं. अगर नहीं करेगा तो नहीं है स्वभाव। नाउ फोर्थ वन, एकदा चोरद्वयम वित्तकोशे लुंठनम करोति। वंस टू थीव्स रोब द बैंक। एक बार दो चोरों ने बैंक को लूट लिया। बहुनी रूप्यकाणि प्राप्तोनि, देव कलेक्टेड लॉट्स ऑफ मनी, बहुत सारा पैसा जमा कर लिया। गृहम आगत्य वार्तालापम करोति, एंड व्हेन दे केम बैक टू होम दे बोथ आर टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर। प्रथम चोर, फर्स्ट थीफ, कियत् धनम प्राप्तम तस्य ज्ञानार्थम धनगणनाम करोमि। हाउ मेनी मनी वी हैव कलेक्टेड, वी हैव टू काउंट दैट। कितना पैसा लेके आए हैं हमें काउंट तो करना पड़ेगा ना। द्वितीय चोर, व्यर्थ श्रमम मा करोतु, डोंट डू यूजलेस लेबर। तो बिना वजह की क्यों मेहनत कर रहे हो। स्वः वर्तमान पत्रे वार्ताम आगमिष्यति एवं, इट विल कम इन टुमारोज न्यूज़पेपर, कल के न्यूज़पेपर में आ जाएगा। जो हेडलाइन होगी, जितने पैसे चोरी हुए होंगे उतने हमने चोरी किए। तथा गणना ज्ञानम भविष्यति, दैट विल बी अवर कलेक्शन, मतलब जितने पैसे चोरी किए उतने हमने लिए होंगे बैंक से। नाउ द फिफ्थ वन, टू फ्रेंड आर देयर, शंभुनाथ एंड रमानाथ, दे बोथ आर टॉकिंग विथ ईच अदर। नाउ वृद्धः शंभुनाथ, ओल्ड शंभुनाथ, मम पत्नी मम भोजनस्य पश्चात एव भोजनं करोति, माय वाइफ इज टेकिंग हर मील आफ्टर मी। रमानाथ, भवान भार्यया सह भोजनं न करोति वा, इज नॉट योर वाइफ टेकिंग हर मील विथ यू। शंभुनाथ, तथा किमपि नास्ति, इट इज नॉट सो, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल, वो हो ही नहीं सकता। मम भोजनस्य पश्चात सा भोजनं करोति, शी इज टेकिंग हर मील आफ्टर मी। तस्य कारणम् अस्ति, बिहाइंड इट वन रीजन इज देयर। यतः आवयोः एका एव कृत्रिम दंतावली अस्ति, वी आर हैविंग ओनली वन डेंटर, फॉल्स टीथ। हमारे पास फॉल्स टीथ की एक ही पैर है, मतलब पहले मैं खाना खा लेता हूँ, फिर वो उसे देता हूँ, वो पहनती है और वो खाना खा लेती है। सो हाउ कैन दे बोथ ईट टेकिंग देयर मील विथ ईच अदर। So here our chapter number 4 is over, Hashya Yoga. I hope all of you enjoy this chapter very much, and next we will start our chapter number 5. So you can see in your textbook, chapter number 5, it is Chataka Chataka Chataka, sparrow sparrow sparrow. Here it is written Chataka Chataka only, and here I have written Chataka Chataka, it is sparrow sparrow. See, one sparrow is there. We all know कि हमारे आंगन में जब हम दाने डालते हैं तो कुछ कुछ बर्ड्स खाने आते हैं. Nowadays we are seeing the less number of sparrows, but this chapter is depend on the sparrow. See, Chataka Chataka, Re Chataka, Sparrow Sparrow, O Sparrow, Chiu Chiu Kujasi Tvam Vihaga, you speak Chiu Chiu Chiu, Nide Nivasasi Sukhen Dayase, you stay in your nest, you fly easily in the sky. Khadasi Falani Madurani, you eat sweet fruits. Viharasi Vimale Vipule Gagane, you stroll in the large clean sky. Nasti Jana Khalu Varayita, no one is there to stop you. कोई ऐसा नहीं है तुम्हें आकाश में, खुले आकाश में उड़ते हुए जो रोक सके. माता पित्रा विह मम नस्त, एकाकी खलु विन्नोहम, माय मदर फादर, माय पेरेंट्स आर नॉट हियर. एकाकी खलु खिन्नोहम, पोएट इज स्पीकिंग that my father and mother are not here, so I am feeling sad, I am feeling alone. Ehi samipam chiu chiu mitram, come near, oh my chiu chiu friend. Dadabhi tubhyam bahudanyam, I will give you lots of grain. You come near to me, मतलब मेरे पास आओ, मेरे पेरेंट्स नहीं हैं, मैं बहुत अकेले फील कर रही हूँ, तो you come near me, मेरे पास आओ, I will give you lots of grain. Chanakam svikuru pibare niram, accept the grain, drink water. त्वं पुनरपि रट च्यू च्यू च्यू, अगेन यू स्पीक च्यू च्यू च्यू। तोषय मा करु मधुरालापम, तोषय मा करु मधुरालापम, satisfy me, make sweet voice। पाठ्यमपि तव भाषाम, and teach your language to me, teach your language to me। Related this chapter, this poem also, some of the meaning I had written over here. See, Chataka, that means O sparrow, Vihaga, that means O bird, Nide, in the nest, Gagane, in the sky, Varita, one who stops, Khinnaha, unhappy or shed, Chanakam, corn thrown to the bird for feeding, मतलब पक्षियों को खाने के लिए जो दाना डालते हैं वो। तोषय, satisfy। माता पितरा विह, parents। पाठ्य, teach। डयसे, you fly। So here are the meaning of the chapter number 5. So I hope all of you understand these two chapters properly. Again I am singing this poem. Chataka chataka re chataka, च्यू च्यू कुजसी त्वं विहग, नीदे निवससि सुखेन डयसे, खादसि फलानि मधुराणि, विहरसि विमले विपुले गगने, नास्ति जनः खलु वारयिता, माता पित्रा विह मम नस्तम, एकाकी खलु खिन्नोऽहम्। एहि समीपं च्यू च्यू मित्रं, ददामि तुभ्यं बहुधान्यं, चणकं स्वीकुरु पीबरे नीरं, त्वं पुनरपि रट च्यू च्यू च्यू। तोषय मा करु मधुरालापं, पाठ्यमामपि तव भाषां। So I hope all of you understand this properly, and now you have to do practice of this chapter at home. Thank you. Have a nice day. In standard 6, we have learned number from 1 to 12. It was ekam, dve, trini, chatvari, panch, षट, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश, एकादश and द्वादश. Same time I told you that in 7th standard we will learn number till 50. So our next chapter, chapter number 6 is Sankhya, that means number. Related some meanings are written on the board. First of all I will explain you this meaning, and then I will explain the numbers and the chapter. Yes, meanings are here. Dalam, that means team. Dhavananka, run. Kridakah, player. Dhavananka falakam, scoreboard. Kati, how many. Samyak, is proper. So these are the meaning. Now number, whenever you will open textbook page number 21, numbers 1 to 15 are written on that page. So number are like this: एकम, द्वे, त्रीणि, चत्वारि, पञ्च, षट्, सप्त, अष्ट, नव, दश, एकादश, द्वादश, त्रयोदश, चतुर्दश, पञ्चदश, षोडश, सप्तदश, अष्टदश, नवदश, विंशतिः, एकविंशति, द्वाविंशति, त्रिविंशति, चतुर्विंशति, पञ्चविंशति, षड्विंशति, सप्तविंशति, अष्टविंशति, नवविंशति, त्रिंशत्, एकत्रिंशत्, द्वात्रिंशत्, त्रयस्त्रिंशत्, चतुस्त्रिंशत्, पञ्चत्रिंशत्, षट्त्रिंशत्, सप्तत्रिंशत्, अष्टत्रिंशत्, नवत्रिंशत्, चत्वारिंशत्, एकचत्वारिंशत्, द्वाचत्वारिंशत्, त्रिचत्वारिंशत्, चतुश्चत्वारिंशत्, पञ्चचत्वारिंशत्, षट्चत्वारिंशत्, सप्तचत्वारिंशत्, अष्टचत्वारिंशत्, नवचत्वारिंशत्, 50. So these are the numbers 1 to 50 in Sanskrit. Now the chapter we will see. In chapter, two friends are there, Nilesh and Ramesh. They both are talking with each other, and they are discussing the score of the different player during the cricket match. So chapter is it. First of all, Ramesh is speaking. Rameshah, Boh, Nileshah, Kim karoti? Oh Nilesh, what are you doing? Nileshah, cricket dalasya dhavananka falakam pashyami. I am watching the scoreboard of cricket match. Rameshah, Bhavikasya Pratham Kridayam Kati Dhavananka. So here the player is playing, his name is Bhavik, or Ramesh is asking the score of Bhavik to the Nilesh. Rameshah, Bhavikasya Pratham Kridayam Kati Dhavananka. Ramesh is asking to the Nilesh that how many runs Bhavik has done in the first match. Nilesh, Ek Chatvarinshata, 41 runs. Rameshah, Dvitiya Kridayam, in second match. Nileshah, Chatustrinshata, 34. Rameshah, Tritiya Kridayam, in third match. Nileshah, Ashtavinshati, 28. Rameshah, Chaturtha Kridayam, in fourth match. Nileshah, Pachashata, 50. Rameshah, Pacham Kridayam, and in fifth match. Nileshah, Nautrinshata, 39. So here are the runs of all 5 match of Bhavik. Now they are talking about the different player. See here, Rameshah, Aho Nilesh, O Nilesh, Niravashya ka sthiti. Now he is asking about Nirav. What is the condition of Nirav? That means how many runs Nirav had done. Now Nilesh is giving answer to him. Sah pratham kridayam trayastrinshata dhavanankam praptam karoti. He has done 33 runs in first match. Ramesh, dvitiya kridayam, in second match. Nilesh, ekvinshati dhavanankaha, 21 runs. Ramesh, tarhi tasya tritiya kridayam ka sthiti. Then what is his condition in the third match? Nileshah, Chatvarinshata, 40 runs. Rameshah, Uttamam, great. Chaturtha Kridayam, in fourth match. Nileshah, Shatatrinsati, 36 runs. Rameshah, Antim Kridayam, Niravah Kati Dhavanankam Praptam Karoti. How many runs Nirav has done in the fifth match? कितने रन उसने फिफ्थ मैच में किए? Nileshah, Samyak Asti, it was well. Dvichatvarinshata, 42. He has done 42 runs in fifth match. Now they are talking about the third player. Who is this third player? He is Shalin. Now Ramesh is telling, Ramesh, Pashya, look. Salinasya Prathim Kridayam Shadatrinshati Dhavananka. Look, Salin has done 36 runs in first match. Nilesha, yes. Dvitiya Kridayam Tasya Shaptatrinsatam. In second match he has done 37 runs. Ramesha, Tritiya Kridayam Adhikam Nasti. There was no more run in third match. Kevalam Shodasa, only 16 runs. Nilesha, Shatyam, Nilesh said true. Chaturtha Kridayam Api Shadavinsati. In fourth match 26 runs. Ramesha, Tarhi Pacham Kridayam Sah Adhikam Ashtachatvarinshata Dhavanankam Kam Praptoni. In fifth match he has done more runs. He has done 48 runs in fifth match. So here we can see the different run of different students. So all of you understand this chapter properly, I hope. And now our next chapter. Chapter number 7 is Vishwasaha Nevar Kartavya. Vishwasaha Nevar Kartavya means don't trust. Whenever we are going as a student, जब हमारी एज छोटी होती है, बड़ों को भी होता है ऐसा, पर जब घर से बाहर जाते हैं, when we are going outside of the home, our parents are telling to us, don't go anywhere with anyone, don't talk with stranger, don't take any gift from the stranger. सीधा जाजो, सीधा आओजो. Many times we are listening this type of word from our parents. When we are going alone in tuition or school or friends' home or relatives' home, so we are listening this. So this chapter is related to that one. That never kartavya, vishwasaha never kartavya, don't trust. So related this chapter, some of the meaning are written on the board. See, aja means goat. Swashya, on. Bahiha, outside. Sigram, quickly. तिष्ठतु stand up, अतः so, शृगालः fox, गमनीयम should go, नेष्यामि I shall carry, वच्चकः cheat or cunning, भवानकः who are you, पिप्पल वृक्षः people tree, अन्विष्यति is searching, दृष्ट्वा seeing, श्रुत्वा on listening, क्रुध्यति is angry, and praharati is blowing. Here the meaning are. So now I am going to explain in the chapter, page number 22. Here is given example of goat and its kids and a fox, and we have to learn many things from this chapter. Now the chapter is like this. Ekam vanam asti, there is a forest. Vane eka aja asti, there is a goat in the forest. Sa swasya putram vadati, she tells to her son, Putra, aham bahih gacchami, I am going outside. Aham shigram agacchami, I will come back soon. Atra eva tishtatu, you stay here. Sometimes our parents going outside, they are telling, say you have to be in home only. Don't go outside. If any stranger will come, don't open the door. So we are guiding to our child also, and parents are guiding to their child also कि कोई अनजाना है तो दरवाज़ा नहीं खोलना है, घर में ही रहना है, बाहर नहीं जाना है. Like this. Ajaha vanam gacchati. Tells this goat goes to the forest. Sisuho api anusharanam karoti. The kid also follows her. उसके पीछे पीछे जाने लगा. Sisuho margam vishmarati. And the kid forgets the road, forgets the way, रास्ता भूल गया. अतः शरोदिति, and it starts crying. शृगालः शिशुं पश्यति. One fox sees this kid. मतलब हमने बहुत बार सुना है कि फॉक्स है वो कनिंग एनिमल है, बहुत लुच्चा होशियार एनिमल है. तो शृगालः शिशुं पश्यति. सः सुकोमलं मांसं खादितुम् इच्छति. It wants to eat its soft meat. उसे देख के शृगाल के मुंह में तो पानी आ गया, उसका मांस खाना चाहता था, तो उसने आइडिया सोचने शुरू कर दिए. शृगालः वदति. The fox comes near to it and tells to him, Bhavanakah, who are you? Kimartham roditi? Why are you crying? These words this fox is asking to the kid. Shamasya gnatva atih karuntaya shah vadati. After knowing the reason, with very sadness he speaks. Chinta mastu, don't worry. Aham matuh shamipam neshyami. I will carry you towards your mother. मैं तुम्हें तुम्हारी माँ के पास लेके जाऊँगा. Don't worry. मया सह चलतु. Come with me. सा मम्मा परिचिता अस्ति. She is known to me. मुझे पहचानती है तुम्हारी मदर. मैं तुम्हें उसके पास छोड़ के आऊँगा. मेरे साथ चलो. अजा शिशु वदति. Kid speaks. अहम भवंतम न जानामि. I don't know you. Kid is telling to the fox that I don't know you. Mama mata vadati, my mother tells, yatah aparicitena shah kutrapi na gamanyam iti. Don't go anywhere with stranger. मेरी मदर ने मुझे ऐसे कहा, I will not come with you. वच्चकः शृगालः वदति. Cunning fox speaks. मम्मा विषये माँ चिंतयतु. Don't you worry about me. मैं तो तुम्हें हेल्प करने आया हूँ. So don't you worry about me. पश्यतु तत्र एकः पिप्पल वृक्षः अस्ति. Look, there is a one people tree. तत्र भवतः माता अन्वेषति. Your mother is searching you there. तुम्हारी माँ वहाँ तुम्हें ढूंढ रही है. देखो वहाँ एक ट्री दिख रहा है, पिपल ट्री. वहाँ तुम्हें तुम्हारी मदर ढूंढ रही है. अजा शिशुः शृगालेन गच्छति. When the kid listening this, the kid trust on the fox, and अजा शिशुः शृगालेन सह गच्छति and goes with fox. तस्मिन् क्षणे अजा आगच्छति. Same time the goat comes. स्वपुत्रेण सह वच्चकं शृगालं दृष्ट्वा वदति. After seeing her kid with the fox, she speaks, Putra, Bhavan etene sah kutra gacchati. Where are you going with him? इसके साथ कहाँ जा रहे हो बोला. अस्य विश्वासः न करणीयः. Don't trust on him. उस पे भरोसा मत करो. Don't trust on him. शिशुः मातु समीपम धावति and the kid runs towards his mother. शिशु मुखात घटना श्रुत्वा and the kid telling all the incident to her mother. After listening the all the incident, शिशु मुखात घटना श्रुत्वा अजाक्रुध्यति. The god becomes angry. अजाश्रुगालम प्रहरति and the god hits to the fox. श्रुगालः पलायते and the fox runs away from there. अजाशिशु वदति. God tells to her kid, पुत्र अपरिचितस्य उपरि कदापि विश्वासः नैव करणीय. Don't trust on any stranger. अनजानों पे कभी भरोसा न करो. न मैत्री करणीय. Never make a friend. न कुत्रापि गमनीयम. Never go anywhere. ये मेरी भी सलाह है आपको कि ना तो कभी अनजानों पे भरोसा करो, न उनके साथ कहीं जाओ और न ही कभी अनजानों को अपना दोस्त बनाओ. सेम थिंग God tells to her kid. So here we have completed our chapter number 7 also. Vishwasah neva kartavya, never trust. I hope all of you understand this 2 chapter properly. Now you have to do more and more practice of this chapter at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.